guys, today we are going to play Rivals in the shooting range. And what we have to do is we are going to go to the shooting range. Alright, now watch my trick, guys, okay? I wish that I could become the most popular girl. Check out my cool skins. But only the satchel. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I have the biggest trick I've ever seen. Right, guys? OMG. Okay. Now, check out me. I'm the most popular or something. Anyway, I'm just gonna practice some little tricks in the next video. I'm not gonna test. Okay. Ooh. Check out me, just like what my sister did. Alright guys, it's time to go now.